Somali صباح هوردنا قريهين وعلمهين وحلا قلب حي كليها يا بيركا يا محل دهايو كاد هيستا يا ودنها وعلمهين Somali هوردنا دوش الشيء صباح سبتدان سكيد beach ماذا the refugee activists they're all gonna be there. We're forcing the Egyptian government to do something about it. صباح Somali ذودن حرا حفيسيدين شقوينكينا وعا لها محل داوان شيرانهي صائي ماذا ساقات كلر قدود حاولتك كوسو شفتو ويلشو قبلها ساقات على مقدودن يا إيجبت علن كذا ساقات وأنا أستراليا دولة ديلانو شجنا يا وحقبنا يا هويا لأن بنان كلا دقايا دي المهدي أنا قهدانو وحقبنا. All the fellow Australians they're trying to help and you are Somali and you're not helping. How come you just want to lay down and take welfare money? Come out Somali. بريك مالين المها هذا كده عيسى المها كوتشو ودن كان أيه كده عيسى ويحلايان نيل عقد دميين ما تشوفينه مالين تكواس كسر دمالان كوا أنتوا كواس تسوي معنا صباح Somali all refugees come out and keep the beach and be activists and tell the Australian government and the Egyptian government to stop this. How can they watch when they're killing children and innocent mothers and they're removing their organs and they're taking their kidneys and the government of Egypt, they're not doing nothing. They're not even closing the corrupting clinic, that hospitals. They're not even giving the children the gas to sleep. They still wake when they take their organs. And you laid up. صباح Somali. اسكو صباح قيلية. I'm a one-man army and I need your support. Come out. It's your children. It's your mom. Your government and your leaders are corruption. They hunguri halka saudinten. Waxay ka qabanayaan malahan. Adinka صباح. Adduunka dhan laga sheey. Saaxiibada all refugee activists waa صباحayaan. But meesha saaxanayna badda oo ilmaheena lagu tuuray. sida ilmaheena loo tuuray iyo hooyooyinkeen loo tuuray waa in anagana u seexana. Come out. Before yesterday you were in that situation, don't forget it. Today that mother, she's in grave. How come and nobody's talking for her? You have to come out. All my fellow Australians, please come out this Saturday on Sakina Beach and be the activists of those innocent refugees. They remove their organs and their kidneys for the corruption man who wants money. The Somalian children and Somalian mothers. How can you continue married and having kids when your children every day was happening that? Your mom, your sister, your brother, your three-year-old baby. How come and you lay down and you sleep taking welfare money and you don't give a fuck about it? Or you ما كان جعلي صباح إلهي كعبصة صباح نمعنا نكو جرايسين. This Saturday you have to be the activist. Come out and keep the beach and shout the Egyptian government to stop this. How come a Muslim nation do to our children and our mothers that and we lay down like they nobody? Even the dogs have a right. Even the aunties, the trees, they have a right. How come a Somalian children, I don't have a right? My fellow Australians, the Prime Minister of Australia, please talk about this. Save those 40 mothers and the 40 children. The CID talking about it. They're holding some places and they're waiting them to sell their organs. Already 18 children removed last night, their organs and their heart. How come you lay down and you think that matters? My fellow Aborigines, please come and support. This is the Justice Day. Thank you.